Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. It is day number 2 in Bohol, looking for property. Right now we are in Loon, which is on the northern part. It's about 40 minutes north of Tagbilaran, and of course it is raining and the thunder is going really hard, so we're not going to have a very good visibility around, but we're at least going to be able to see this property. What are the details on this one?
It's over 2,000 square meters. Oh, it's 2,000 square meters. Okay, and then the price is 2.7 A. Yes, that's right.
Okay, 2,000 square meters, 2.7 million. Some thick rock up here, that's good.
Oh, there's the one right here. See it?
Yep.
So this is the boundary. Okay. So straight na ba siya? Kani nga ba to diri?
Oh, straight na
Okay.
siya.
So, pwede pa our sketch. So here's the sketch. This is what we're looking right here.
Okay.
The 2,000.
I swear, every time we go looking for property, we always have to go hiking. I guess it's good for your health and all that, right? Alright, let's try and get up this hill. Oh, and we're doing this while it's raining. Oh gosh, my back. Oh. Oh gosh. Woo. Whew. All right. Well, at least it's not hot today. It's like 80 degrees and raining. That's a neat view. Oh, there's the ocean. There's a boat. All right. But again, another property that's on a hill. I hope it has some flat areas. Whew. Otherwise, you have to get an excavator up here somehow and flatten it out.
So that's kind of like where the boundary is. So look at this post.
Yep.
So straight all the way to that little pool boat right there.
Okay.
So when you clear all of these bushes, you know, I mean, you can still see the ocean pretty well right now, even with all
Right.
the bushes and the trees.
Yeah, it's raining pretty hard, but you can still see the ocean.
Lots of it, actually.
There's a cell phone tower right there, so we'll have good reception.
Yeah. The ocean is not, I mean, again, it's raining, so, I mean, but I can only imagine how beautiful it's going to be when it's sunny. But yeah, it's a pretty good view of the ocean.
Looks like a fast cat ferry. Ocean over there.
The only problem is this.
Oh yeah. Alright, this one's got a really good view. I wouldn't say full 180 degree view of the ocean, but it's almost there. And we're up pretty high. The only problem is that the entire lot, again, is on the hill. There are a couple little flat spots, but like not really. Again, we'd have to come up here and flatten out a lot of it just to be able to build the house, or just put a lot of concrete. But still, do we want to live on the side of a hill? That's the question. All right, we're gonna go look at 2 more properties, so we'll see you guys there. All right, right up the hill there's another one that we weren't expecting. I don't know what the details are yet.
Okay, so this is the boundary. All the way.
Okay. Pila?
So this is 700 per square meter.
1,282 square meter. Ang price 700,000.
700,000, so overall. Okay.
We don't need to keep going. I don't.
That's a no.
Yep.
Ito ma'am, ito ka lang hilo. Parang ihagbasan. Mo nagkatong 3,405 square meter.
So, asang boundary ani?
Ano yung hulog hagbasan ma'am? Ano ma'am?
Kaning na flat.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so lapas aning gamay nga punuan.
Alright guys, we are at the next property. It is 3,405 square meters and they want 3.5 million pesos. And it is farther up Loon, closer to the port that goes over to Argao, Cebu.
Okay, so here's the sketch. So, morning dalan dire.
Kana ma'am,
Okay.
Protection Road.
Here's the sketch. This is where we're at.
Okay.
Alright, let's go check it out. So this is the boundary right here.
Right at that concrete block.
All the way over there. Come here, babe.
It is raining hard, even harder than before.
Yeah. But rain or shine, we're out here looking for properties.
Yeah. We didn't check the forecast and it's actually going to be raining all week. Oh shit. Well, the rain is going down the hill, so that's good.
It's a big area.
3,400 square meters.
Yeah. Sige. I think that's an ocean over there too, di ba?
Yes
Oh,
ma'am.
kadulong pa dito.
Tempa.
Yeah, ocean dira. We've seen how blue it was yesterday.
Ang ba nag-awan ma'am kita mo tanan.
Lagi. So, asa pa man ka, di man kayo makita ang ocean diri gud kay puti ba kaya gaulan.
Gaulan man.
Asa pa man ang makita pa dito, di
Kita.
Makita naman, kadulong pa dito.
Oh.
Okay. Kuan man na diya katong port, katong diyan ninyo. Oh, makita ang port mismo.
Oh,
diha.
okay.
May
So-
kanang
Pero mga gudani kay.
It goes over this way.
Danan.
dito ako naro dira ang kalsada dito sa to. And then
I know it's kind of hard to see things right now. It's hard to keep the camera dry and no rain on the lens, but this is actually a pretty neat view up here. We can't see everything, but with what we can see, it looks pretty nice. And it's pretty flat, which is good. It's got a little bit of a rise to it, which is good. So when it rains like this, the water is actually going to slope down. So we won't get flooded out. And there's good limestone in here as well. So it seems pretty stable.
Ang inyo lang bayaran ko ng lugas ko na sa
Sa
ninyo.
title na.
Oo. Maura, dara sana sila na mabayad.
Okay.
So is this the come here? Is this the Mahone for the end of it?
No, it's just the boundary of this side. Imagine this being the wall from that post,
Okay.
from the road, all the way over there.
Okay, so
Remember
yeah,
the shape
it is the end.
of, yes, it is
Okay,
the end from
that's what I was asking.
I thought you were asking about if this is it right here where it ends
No.
from the road. It still goes over there. So kaninga flat, di ba? Padulong pa dyan sa ubos. Umuna na. Unahan pa gamay. Okay. You see this flat surface right here?
Yeah.
Doesn't have any grass. You still keep going a little bit farther down. I don't know if
Okay.
it's down. Flat ba ni dire? Gihapon after. Okay, so it's still flat.
Where's the Mahon though?
Pwede matanang mo hunad to?
Ano ko sa kuan na sa mahon ma'am. Kay kana kay ilulupit na na to.
Okay. So,
Sa book naman.
it's na added to so imagine that one that we looked at over there. I think the coconut tree, maybe
Around there, yeah.
all the way straight.
Okay.
That's a big property.
Yeah.
3,400 is quite big for what we're looking.
Right.
Next time yun eh. Ito magmamay.
If anything, we want to come back during sunny day para makita.
Yes ma'am.
Oh,
Next time yun.
during
If
sunny
it's
day.
not raining all week.
Yeah. Magulan magod all week. Pero naon kay kagahapon nato ni sa Luay. Nakita ra kami kay sayo man adto. So ano pa siya, sunny pa siya.
Yan ang pork.
Yeah, it is not letting up right now. Right, property number 4.
And the last one for today.
Details?
This one is going to be so this is 17,000 square meter for 6 million pesos. And if we're only gonna be cutting it to 2,000 square meter, they would allow it. And it's gonna be 1,000 pesos per square meter. So that is
2 million.
yeah. So it's gonna be 2 million for 2,000 square meters. So let's check it out. I don't know. I'm still having on my head.
Well, just in case.
Not raining anymore.
The rain kind of lightened up so we can actually see what we're looking at a little bit. A bit of a hill, but not too steep. Lots of good dirt here. Don't really see any rocks, a little bit of rocks.
Also, we can pick which 2,000 square meter we want.
Okay, that'll be hard to
can
do.
Pick
Oh,
the
wow.
view.
There's the ocean,
Yeah, isn't very close, huh?
and there's the pier. You can see the pier right there. Very cool.
Ano ma'am, yes, kay ano? Kani ma'am. Tuloan bang ni siya ma'am? Ato libot ni. Libot ang ocean view ani.
Okay.
Mountain view pug ka.
Okay, go. Okay, there goes the mountain view, and when you clean this up, you can see
Ocean
more of the
view.
ocean.
Yeah.
Pwede ang dikaani mo ka.
Yeah, it's hard to pick which 2,000 because, you know, it's all full.
I mean, right here, 2,000.
Well, yeah.
Dili man nilaw ma'am.
17,000 square meters and it's full of trees. It's hard to see which one you want.
Oh, this is a nice tree right here.
Kani ma'am.
Yeah, so just cut all of this right here.
Pwede ka mo pili ani. Kani ato lang ning hinduan. Kay sagbot man gud makita.
Okay, ug mahinduan na man kay bantang kadto na sa
Bantang.
dagat. Gatudjok as daan.
Yeah, it's not bad.
There's some kind of birds that live out here in this jungle that I've never heard before. And they sound super cool. I don't know what it is, but it's kind of neat to just stand here and listen to it. Other than the roosters. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's neat. Well, 17,000 square meters, we get to pick and choose where we want to cut, but it's hard again because we got all these trees and thick bushes and everything. Well, there's a big drop off. There's a big drop off over here.
Yeah, the drop off is not included too.
No?
Wala makita ning dagat man ma'am. Pero tabunan pa. Pero sa makita.
Unsa man ni? Apil mo na ning boundary or
Yes
padulong
ma'am.
pa dito?
Kanina an.
Okay, so this is the end.
Okay. So the 17,000 goes from here all the way to the road, and then
Across the road.
across the road, and then down over here on this way.
Yeah. So where we stopped walking after later is included in that 17,000, di ba?
Yes ma'am.
All right, guys, we are back. Day number 2, hanging out with the crew, and we are at the Q Hotel here in Tagbilaran, and we are going to be eating at their restaurant, which is on the Sky Bar, and it is an incredible view. Check this out. You can see everything from up here. Incredible. Right? What a view. Good choice. Now it is like 5:30 in the afternoon, evening, whatever you want to call it. So naturally there's going to be traffic. And so we're hearing a lot of different motorbikes and cars and everything, but it should calm down in an hour or so, I imagine. But still, really cool view. And the hotel does have parking in the basement. Not a lot, but we were able to park the truck, and so far they didn't try to charge us any money to park, so that was kind of nice. Our friends did say that here there is parking across the street, which I'm assuming is at the city hall. Yeah, it doesn't look like anybody's stopping you for parking there, so I imagine that that would be good to go as well.
Okay, I guess I'll see you.
Alright, and if you guys haven't met Matt from the Grounded Nomads, then you guys are not living your life correctly.
Absolutely. Like and subscribe. The Grounded Nomads. If you go Grounded Nomads, you get an old lady in a caravan. The Grounded Nomads.
She's pretty fun too, though, I will say. Alright, we will leave a link for their videos, or their channel, in the description and in the comments below. You guys really need to check it out. They have an amazing story and an amazing journey building their home here in the Philippines, and it's incredible. So go check it out.